Struggling with bloating, low energy, or stubborn weight that just won't move? What if you could support your gut to feel lighter and control cravings using only 3 simple ingredients from your kitchen? In this video, I'll show you a powerful chia seed, Greek yogurt and honey recipe that supports gut health and natural weight loss. Without extreme diets or expensive supplements, stay with me until the end because I'll also share the best time to eat it, how often to use it, and who should be careful with this recipe. Welcome to Freshly Natural Remedies, where we share simple, natural recipes to support gut health, sleep, and immunity. This video is for education and general wellness only, and is not medical advice. If you have diabetes, allergies, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, please talk to your doctor before trying this recipe. Let's quickly understand why chia seeds, Greek yogurt, and honey make such a powerful team. First, chia seeds. They are rich in soluble fiber. When soaked in liquid, they form a thick gel. This gel acts like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut that can support smoother digestion, less constipation, and a feeling of fullness that lasts for hours. Next, Greek yogurt. Good quality Greek yogurt contains live probiotic cultures, the friendly bacteria that live in your gut. It's also high in protein, which helps reduce hunger hormones and keeps your blood sugar more stable, so you don't feel like snacking all the time. Finally, honey. In small amounts, honey adds natural sweetness, antioxidants, and a touch of prebiotic support. It makes this recipe taste delicious, so you actually enjoy eating it and can stay consistent. When you combine all 3, you get fiber, prebiotics, probiotics, and protein working together. That's why this simple bowl can support gut health and gentle, sustainable weight loss when combined with an overall healthy lifestyle. Here's exactly what you need for 1 serving: 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, 2 to 4 teaspoons of honey, depending on your taste, 2 to 4 tablespoons of water or milk to help the chia seeds swell. Optional, a pinch of cinnamon, and a small handful of fresh berries or nuts for extra flavor and nutrients. These are all easy to find and usually very affordable. Now let's prepare it step by step. Step 1. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into a clean bowl or jar. Step 2. Pour into 4 tablespoons of water or milk. Stir very well until all the seeds are wet and no dry clumps remain. Step 3. Let this sit for 20 to 30 minutes or overnight in the fridge. This step is very important because dry chia seeds continue to swell after you eat them and can feel uncomfortable. When fully soaked, they form a soft gel that your body can handle more easily. Step 4. Once the chia has formed a gel, add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Mix until the yogurt and chia gel are fully combined and creamy. Step 5. Drizzle 2 to 4 teaspoons of honey on top. Add a pinch of cinnamon and a few berries or nuts if you like. You now have a thick, creamy, satisfying bowl that supports your gut and helps keep you full for hours. How you use this recipe matters. The best time to enjoy this bowl is in the morning as your breakfast or as a late morning meal. It gives your gut gentle fiber, protein, and probiotics early in the day. You can also use it as an afternoon snack instead of cookies, chips, or sugary drinks. For most people, 1 serving per day is enough. Many notice less bloating, more regular digestion, and better control of cravings after a few weeks of consistent use, along with a balanced diet and movement. Here are some important tips and cautions. Start slowly if you're not used to high fiber foods. You can begin with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds instead of 2 for the first few days. Always soak the chia seeds well before eating. Drink water throughout the day to help the fiber move through your system. If you have diabetes or blood sugar issues, remember that honey still counts as sugar. Use a smaller amount or speak with your doctor or dietitian first. If you are allergic to dairy, choose a plant-based yogurt with live cultures instead of Greek yogurt. If you notice any pain, severe bloating, or discomfort, Stop using the recipe and talk to a healthcare professional. If you found this chia seed, Greek yogurt and honey recipe helpful for gut health and weight management, let me know in the comments by typing chia. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Freshly Natural Remedies for more simple natural recipes for your gut, sleep and immunity. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a calm, happy and healthy gut.